Hello, I'm Professor Natascha Radclyffe-Thomas, Editor-in-Chief of the Bloomsbury Fashion Business Case Studies, an online learning resource designed specifically for students and educators. The Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases contains a collection of business case studies about all aspects of the fashion industry. Every case is based on real-world fashion business scenarios and are written by faculty working in higher education internationally. Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases are a great resource for online teaching. All of the cases come with teaching notes and offer multiple choices for designing creative learning activities and assessments. When choosing a case to work with, there are a few things that you should consider. You can browse the range of topic areas available and also search by course level. The teaching notes that support each case give you a starting point, and cases can be used for a single session or over several, depending on your course design. Like all the Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases, the case I'm introducing today can be used to explore a range of different aspects of fashion business. The brand which is the subject of the case here is Shanghai Tang, a luxury brand founded in Hong Kong in the 1990s with the aspiration of becoming the world's first Chinese luxury brand. The case follows the history of Shanghai Tang from its founding by the late Sir David Tang in Hong Kong and examines its key marketing and branding strategies. Shanghai Tang used Chinese design tropes and textiles to appeal to a largely international audience, capitalizing on a fascination particularly with the heyday of Shanghai's golden age of the 1920s and 1930s. Creative visual merchandising was used to create immersive in-store brand experiences, as you can see in the images here, initially in the Hong Kong store, but later this style was rolled out to flagship stores in New York, Beijing, and Shanghai. Shanghai Tang used brand extensions and collaborations to build an identity steeped in Chinese arts and culture, and students can evaluate the success of these in creating a luxury lifestyle brand. The nature of luxury can be explored looking at the various repositions undertaken by Shanghai Tang, especially as the brand went under different ownerships. The case asks students to reflect on the changing nature of luxury consumption and how Shanghai Tang has so far failed to fully capitalize on its Chinese heritage and identity. The importance of understanding consumer behavior, the dynamic nature of international marketing, and the difficulties of repositioning in the global luxury market can all be explored through the range of case activities suggested in the accompanying teaching notes.